You are stronger than you think. Life has a way of throwing challenges your way. But remember, those challenges are not meant to break you. They are meant to shape you into someone extraordinary. Pain is not the end, it's the beginning of something greater. It's the fire that forgives your strength, the weight that builds your resilience. When you feel like you cannot go on, when you feel that pain deep within, that's exactly when you need to push harder because it's in those moments that greatness is born. They are saying the night is darkest just before the dawn. Those thought time are your darkest hour, but the dawn is coming. You are not alone in this struggle and you are capable of overcoming it. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to who you are meant to be. The pain you are feeling now is temporary, but the strength, the wisdom, and the power you gain from facing it head on will stay with you forever. Every drop of sweat, every tear, every moment of struggle with fuel your success. You will rise from this stronger than before, with a fire that cannot be extinguished. Keep pushing, keep believing, and most importantly, never ever give up. The journey is hard, yes, but so are you. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Stand tall, face your pain, and embrace the power within you. You are unstoppable.